Hello and welcome back to a kind of updated version of the dialogue system. This is just me playing around because I fell in love with scriptable objects, and if you have seen my videos lately, you know that I have been playing a lot with scriptable objects. So let me just show you what we have been doing in this video. I saw a talk on scriptable objects and how you can use them. So I have pretty much implemented his system of it. It is rather, it's pretty identical to his. It's pretty much a copy of his code, just tweaked a little bit. Um, so that's pretty much it. So the idea is that you can now go in, right click, and then just into model add a value of a bool, float, int, string, or a game event. So you might be asking, well, what do they do? Well, it's literally they just contain int. That's it. And I have made a developer description just so you developer can click on it and go, oh, all right, it says player money, so it must be player money. So what's the idea behind having the player money be here? That means that when the game is running, this here is where the money is referenced to all the time. Meaning if we click play right now, you can see money is actually a reference to this one here. So when this goes up, the money goes up here. And that is because it is linked in with our game UI. As you can see right here, we have the money and the money right here. The same with the health. So we can go down to health. Where do we have it? Here, and simply just go down and it automatically updates. But here is the clever part. This can easily be implemented, like can easily be added into our dialogue system. So all we have now to do is go in and let's say we want to add some more health. We just go modify int, drag the int in. Oh, isn't it? Oh, that's money. And then we just go, well, we want to add to it, and we're just gonna add 500. And now we're adding 500 to our money through the dialogue system without any, without using the strings as we were using before. This also means that if another developer on your team don't know how to code or anything like that, he can just go in and say, well, I want, you know, a new int value or a whole value that just names Yaman. And he wants, every time you finish talking, he just wants that to cost, he wants that to remove 5 Yaman every time you do the speak. So now it's, oh yeah, it subtracts, so it probably shouldn't have a minus, but then it just subtracts 5. That's how easy it is to add a new thing into the system now. So that's why I kind of fell in love with the scriptable objects part. So let's say if you want to run a game event. So one of my subscribers asked me, how can I implement a video into the system? So I made a game event called play video. So let's just show you what that does. I made a small script that literally just plays a video. So you can see here it plays a video and plays a game event. So we can see right here that the game event is that you actually add a game event listener. Then you add the game event that you want to do something. And then you add it through the Unity events. I'm just gonna remove that. You can see here I have added that to show the video. So if I click this up, it's literally just how you play videos with UR. It turns that on. It then goes into the video player and plays the video. It turns off all the other UI, also the dialogue controller. And then when the video is done playing, which is done through here, it calls the play video end. And play video end, you can see here, turns off the video and turns back on the UI. So let's see how that actually works. So we go over.
So what up? Okay.
And we click play video. This is a video test.
Anything else?
As you can see.
I don't think
so.
That is how you play the video. And it's simply just through this event here. So that's as simple as show how to play the video. However, I did have to move something around. Now the dialog controller itself is actually on an object on its own, because I have to be able to turn it off, or else the dialog would just continue going. So now dialog talk pretty much only contains the dialog container, or the dialog it's supposed to speak, and then it just sends that to the dialog controller that then runs the dialog. I will have a link down below on how this entire scriptable object system works, and I highly recommend that you watch the talk just to check if that is something you are interested in. Oh, I can see I have a error here. Here, remove that. Save. All right. So, that's it, and I hope this was useful for anyone that want to use it. And again, there will be a link down below to the Git, so you can just download it and try it out. All right, thank you for watching.